Today I am reviewing Ninja Air Fryer XL AF181 Air Fryer. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The biggest reason to consider the AF181 is that it's designed to make crispy food without relying on a traditional deep fryer. Ninja says its MaxCrisp technology can reach temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, using superheated air to cook food quickly and give it that browned, crunchy exterior many people want from fried food. That sounds great, but the important thing with any air fryer is understanding what it can and cannot replace. You're not going to get exactly the same result as food submerged in oil, but an air fryer can come surprisingly close with certain foods, particularly frozen fries, chicken wings, nuggets, and other items that already have a suitable surface for crisping. The 6.5 quart capacity is also a practical size for a household that wants more than a small personal air fryer. Ninja says the basket can handle up to 5 pounds of French fries, or as much as 9 pounds of chicken wings. Although maximum capacity and ideal cooking results aren't always the same thing. If you completely fill the basket, airflow can become more restricted, so you may need to shake the food or cook in batches for more consistent browning. That's one of the trade-offs with air fryers in general. Capacity doesn't necessarily mean you can pile everything in and expect every piece to become equally crispy. The best results usually come when hot air can circulate around the food. So while the XL basket is useful for family meals, you may still find yourself doing multiple batches when cooking a large amount of food. Where the AF181 gets more interesting is its 6 cooking functions. You get MaxCrisp, Air Fry, Air Roast, Bake, Reheat, and Dehydrate. That gives this appliance more flexibility than simply being a machine for making fries. You can use it for reheating leftovers, roasting food, baking certain recipes, or dehydrating ingredients. The reheat function could be particularly useful because air frying can bring back some crispness that a microwave usually can't. Instead of ending up with soft fries or soggy breaded foods, circulating hot air can help restore some of that texture. Of course, results depend heavily on the food you're reheating and how much you're putting in the basket. Another strong point is frozen food. The MaxCrisp setting is specifically designed for high heat cooking, so being able to put frozen foods directly into the basket without thawing can make this appliance convenient for quick meals. That's one of the situations where an air fryer can genuinely save time compared with using a conventional oven. The AF181 is also designed with a relatively compact footprint considering its capacity. That matters if you're working with limited counter space. Still, compact is relative. A 6.5 quart air fryer is not tiny, so you'll want to make sure you have enough room to operate it comfortably and enough storage space if you don't want it sitting on the counter all the time. Cleaning is another area where the design makes sense. The basket and removable crisper plate have a nonstick surface and are dishwasher safe. That's a useful feature because cleanup is one of the easiest ways for a countertop appliance to become annoying. Being able to remove the cooking components and put them in the dishwasher should make regular use much less of a chore. There are a couple of things I would keep in mind before buying. First, air fryers still take up counter space, and this model is large enough that it may feel excessive for someone who normally cooks small portions. Second, the 6 cooking modes don't necessarily mean you'll use all 6 regularly. For many people, air fry, MaxCrisp, and reheat will probably be the functions they use most. Ninja also claims up to 75% less fat compared with traditional deep frying, based on its testing against hand-cut deep-fried French fries. That's an important distinction. The air fryer can reduce the amount of added oil needed, but the nutritional value of the final meal still depends on what you're actually cooking. The AF181 makes the most sense for people who want quick, crispy food with less oil, families that need a reasonably large basket, or anyone who regularly cooks frozen foods and wants something faster than a conventional oven. It's also useful for someone who wants one countertop appliance that can handle several different cooking tasks. I'd be less interested in it if you already have a large convection oven that you use comfortably, or if you typically cook very small portions. In those situations, the extra countertop appliance may not provide enough benefit to justify its space. For its combination of capacity, high heat MaxCrisp cooking, multiple functions, and dishwasher-safe components, the Ninja AF181 has a practical feature set. The main question is whether you'll actually use that capacity and flexibility. If crispy food, quick reheating, frozen meals, and easier cooking are regular parts of your routine, this model makes a lot of sense. If you mainly cook small meals or already have similar countertop equipment, you may not need another appliance competing for space.